Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody is fine and well. Well, today is Tuesday the 22nd of February. It's 10:30 in the morning. We got up about 7 a.m. this morning and it was grey, absolutely throwing it down with rain. But the forecast said it was going to brighten up around about 11 o'clock, and guess what? For a change, they were right. That blue sky. So we're just off for a walk again today, once we've negotiated this pudding. We're going walking down to Old Dungeongill and back round into Alta Water. So why don't you come along for the journey? As you can see by the flooded field, it has put some water down, but this has subsided a bit, to be honest. The other day this was like a lake. It was right up to the wall and quite high. So it has drained away really well. So this point the other day is where Bailey was swimming. I'll insert a clip here. He did go in yesterday afternoon, but as you can see it's very fast flowing, and he had to work hard, so I don't think he'll be going in today. There's a lovely house there. Imagine living there. You get views like this. So I mentioned in a previous vlog that I stayed at Baysbrown Farm. Well, this is actually Baysbrown Farm. All these fields here are used for camping. A bit waterlogged at the moment, as you can see.
Yay! Good boy.
So yeah, when I brought Bobby when he was 13 weeks old, we camped in this field here, just around this section here. We had a good couple of nights, to be honest. Really enjoyed it. You can see Bobby's enjoying it at the moment. He's dying to get into that next field. I don't know what you can smell in them hedgerows, but you can smell something. Unfortunately, you've got to go back on the leads now because of the sheep. As I say, the other day it was snow, a lot of snow on them peaks. Very little now, but you can see the snow melting and running down the hillside. It's a lovely day, a bit breezy but lovely. The camera can pick them up, but the field is full of pheasants. We've had a couple near the house, and because Bobby is from working lines, he was going absolutely ballistic to get out at them. There's quite a few in that field there, and I'm hoping the camera's picking them up, to be honest. There's some of the locals here. Bobby hates being on his lead. Wants to be able to run free, but unfortunately we can't allow him to because of the sheep. Don't want to get in trouble with a local farmer. So yesterday we went up there, up and round, and walked back into Alta Water, which is over there. But today I'm going to turn right over this bridge and go into the Langdale Valley. So there's a view down the valley, absolutely stunning. So it's gone a bit grey now when we started out on our walk, but a bit breezy, but it's not cold. But worth it for a view like that. Unfortunately it started to rain, so the view of the Langdales is gone. It's all misty now. But we're by the old Dungeongill and new Dungeongill, and a place called Sticklebarn, which is owned by the National Trust. I'm going to have a walk across and have a look, maybe get a drink. Shame we've lost the wonderful view, but it is the Lake District. But yeah, a pleasant walk so far. Oh, what a difference 15-20 minutes makes. We called into the Sticklebarn, which is here, just for a coffee and a slice of cake, which was very nice. It's a National Trust property. Before we went in, it was drizzle and raining, and not very nice. And look at it now. Typical Lakeland weather, 4 seasons in 1.5 hour. So this here is the new Dungeongill. If you're familiar to the area, you know it's a great little bar, does some excellent food. Also, you can stay here. But a great bar with some lovely real ales and, as I say, some lovely home-cooked food. Just opposite the Sticklebarn. Got the water running down the fells there. So it's a bit breezy up here, but we've just walked up this stone path here. There's the old Dungeongill and Sticklebarn where we were before. And we're on the side of the fell here. It's tough going up them stone steps. A lot of water coming down, making them very slippy. Got to cross the bridge here now. This could be fun. Oh, Bailey wants to go in. Can't go in, mate.
Sticklegill,
Yeah.
and there's a where it kind of levels out before you get to the high bit.
Yeah.
There's a tarn there.
Yeah.
Spectacular. You can't see it, but it's in there underneath the thick tarn.
Apologies for the wind if you can hear it. So we've just walked at the back of this hill here, walked down and round, and now we're back to the bridge where we crossed before to walk down the valley towards Sticklebarn and old Dungeongill, new Dungeongill, isn't going next door is old Dungeongill. So it was a bit treacherous up walking across the fell. There was a lot of water, a lot of mud. The path was a stream really. So we've all just said we've got very wet feet. So we're heading back towards the cottage. We're going to dry off our feet, put clean boots on and clean socks. And then I don't know what's on this afternoon's agenda here. But a very pleasant walk. Don't know how far it is, but as I say, it was very pleasant. So we're nearly back where we started. The postman's just been to Pheasants farm to deliver the post, and on his way past he's giving the dogs some biscuits, which is very nice of him. It's gone a bit breezy again, which is fine, but it's been a lovely pleasant walk. As you've seen, we got a little bit of a shower, but we were by Sticklebarn, so any excuse to go in and get a coffee and slice of cake. Hello. But it was yeah, a good walk. So back to the cottage. Maybe another quick drink, and then we'll head out this afternoon. Let the boys have a nice sleep and relax. If you've enjoyed our video today, then please give us a like. It really helps the channel out. Consider subscribing. It is free, and we're hopefully going to get a few more videos out of our days out and our other family adventures. So thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. See you soon.